Hello everyone. This video is about reading numbers or integers from one file and then applying certain operation on them on the numbers of the file and then showing that result in another one file. Let's first review the import statements. We are using scanner class, file input stream and then IO exception. So this is our class in which our main method is throwing an exception. So this type of writing, the format of writing, why we are writing this? Because your main method is actually not catching any exceptions. Rather, instead it handles the IO exception by throwing it to the source which invoke the main method. And the Java virtual machine, by default, it needs to handle the exception. So here actually the exception does not disappear. It has to be handled by the calling function, otherwise it will crash the program. So it's handled automatically. If there will be some sort of error while opening the file or reading the file or writing the file, it will automatically handle that as we are throwing this IO exception. Now to create the input stream, we are using one variable file byte stream, and file byte stream is to be created uh, with our file num file. Num file is open uh, with creation of a file input stream. Now one scanner object is created for reading the file, and then num1, file num1 and file num2, the two numbers that we have in the file, and we want to add them together. So let me show you the output. It will be easier. Okay, before showing the output, let me just show you the file numfile.txt. What numbers do I have here? I have 5 first number and 10 as second number. So first, the two numbers are supposed to be read from the file. So now through the scanner object infs, using the nextInt function, trying to read file num1 and then file num2. If I run the code, it should display like this. First opening the file, then reading the two integers, then the two integers are file num1 is 5 and file num2 is 10. Now I'm trying to display both of them. Num1, num2 are displayed as 5 and 10. Then next I'm going to show the concatenation of the addition of the file num1 and file num2, which will be 5 plus 10, that is 15. Okay, so it tried to add both of the numbers. Then I'm trying to close the text, close the file. So just using the close method and closing the file byte stream, the input stream, so that it will properly close the file and there should not be any resource leaks, any sort of errors. Yeah, this is how you can read numbers from a file and then apply any operation on them as well.